Are you fed up with your job and feel like there are no other options when it comes to earning an income? If you're like me in my job in construction, frustrated and fed up with long hours, then I want to introduce to you a Learn and Earn Authority Marketing program online. This will provide you with the online tools, mentoring by experts in their field, and you can learn in your spare time alongside your 9 to 5. This will give you the skill set to earn 24/7. I've been working in construction all my life, doing long hours, and I just thought there must be a better way of earning an income than this. When my children were younger, I missed taking them and picking them up from school. I missed Christmas activities, sports days. I always felt like I never had the opportunity to spend any quality time with my family. I only had evenings and weekends. I wanted more time with them. I wanted more holidays with them. But the work in construction just took over. The problem was, I wanted change, but I just didn't know anything else. I didn't want to retrain. I didn't want to go back to university or get an apprenticeship, because I wasn't in that position where I could just stop work and train full time, because I had a family to support and a full-time job. I was aware people were earning an income online. I just was not sure how they were doing it. Then I came across this ad. I found out how I could earn the skills and learn online in my own spare time, at my own pace. I learned I'll be alongside an online community of like-minded people and mentors that had been there and done it and earned 6 or 7 figure salaries. They teach you how to learn the tools online. You can watch the tutorials and you can replay them as much as you like until you fully understand. This Earn and Learn program will give you the skill set in authority marketing, so you can choose your own work hours. So if you have children to take to school or pick up, you may choose to do your work while they're at school. Or you may, like me, you may choose to be playing tennis during the afternoon and work in the morning. I might want to take out my wife for lunch or whatever. The thing is, your work will revolve around your personal life, giving you the chance to spend more time on what you like doing, so you can do what you want when you want. If you click on the link or the Learn More button and fill out the simple form, give me your first name and best contact email address, I can send you a 4-part free training workshop series. You can then see what your options are for earning and learning online with authority marketing. It's either learn a new skill set and have a more fulfilling life, or you just carry on with your 9 to 5, missing out on so much of your own personal life. Now I'm guessing, because you're watching this, that you want change in your life. So what have you got to lose?